Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into University of Sheffield student portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome on your device or browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in MUSE, login, and then hit go login, and then hit go or enter on. Simply type in MUSE, login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying welcome to MUSE. You can then head down over and then tap on MUSE for office or offer holders. Tap on account activation, hit next. Here provide your date of birth and all the other information by hitting next to activate your account. Once your account has been activated, you can head back over and then move to the top of the page and then tap on login to MUSE at the top. Here you'll have to enter your email along with your password or your username and then hit login to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.